Smart travel tip. Can you ever imagine transfer flights being fun? At Incheon International Airport, you will experience what you have only imagined so far come to reality. Simple and easy. Transfer at Incheon can't be easier or simpler than it is now. There was only one security screening, and we were led right into our transfer flight after going to the third floor. If you are transferring between Korean air and foreign carriers, you can take shuttle train to move to concourse. When I traveled from New York to Guangzhou, making transfer at Incheon made my life so much easier since I did not need to collect my luggage or go through customs again. Transfer at Incheon? What could be a smarter way to travel? Enjoy transfer. Welcoming me on the third floor after security check was rows of world-class duty-free shops and restaurants. Wow, duty-free shops of Incheon Airport are wonderful. Transfer experience at Incheon was really exciting and pleasant. Seeing the traditional arts shows of Korea and taking part in activities like making Korean-style fans, I felt as if I were touring a whole new country. Don't miss out on the transfer service complex on the fourth floor. Dine and surf the web at the Hub Lounge. Take advantage of the free shower, relaxing chairs, and the internet zone. Also, you can enjoy the comfortable transit hotel. Making transfer at Incheon made me want to take even more transfer flights. Another travel. Have much time left until your transfer flight? Why not take advantage of the transit tour programs taking you back and forth between Incheon and Seoul? State-of-the-art facilities and the world's best quality services to satisfy all your five senses. Transfer at Incheon can take you to a whole new world of enjoyable travel experience.